Students at Lemoyne College certainly feeling the effects of not having some of these interactions. Tonight, News Channel 9's Callahan Marshall speaks with staff there to see how they're addressing some of these concerns.
College is a time to meet new friends and build new relationships, all part of being successful. But a year without that hit some students hard.
For myself and my team here, we're managing the COVID response and the mental health response.
Rendazzo says in her 30 years at the college, this is one of the busiest.
The isolation that they were in, whether they came from high school, whether they were here and then had to go, whether their first experience was here last year, there was this isolation where students didn't get to have the same social interactions developmentally that they normally would have had.
They're addressing what students need now and hoping things don't get worse.
The echo pandemic really is a sociological term, and it's referring to the fact that we may see a mental health pandemic that is comparable to the scope of the COVID-19 pandemic and is directly related to the COVID-19 pandemic.
So they're thinking creatively.
Again, anytime that we can make it safer by doing it outdoors, we are using more non-traditional spaces, like our chapel historically has been a place where you go to worship, but it's a big space. So it's a space that we've been using regularly for students to gather in, for clubs, for plays.
Helping students feel safe while dealing with the effects of the pandemic. In Syracuse, Callahan Marshall, News Channel 9.
And Rendazzo says in the warmer months they would set out tents so students could have a safer place to communicate.